The skies have connected our world, shrinking distances and fostering global exchange. Yet, the history of flight bears the weight of tragic accidents. Events that have profoundly impacted countless lives and driven critical advancements in aviation safety. Today, we remember the victims of some of the most devastating plane crashes in history. Exploring the circumstances that led to these tragedies, this video addresses sensitive topics and includes descriptions of tragic events. Viewer discretion is advised. Our purpose is to educate and honor the memory of those lost, not to sensationalize these events. One of the earliest and most devastating acts of aviation terrorism struck Air India Flight 182. On June 23, 1985, the Boeing 747N route from Toronto to Bombay was brought down by a bomb over the Atlantic Ocean off the coast of Ireland. All 329 souls on board perished. This tragedy exposed the vulnerability of air travel to terrorist attacks and prompted significant enhancements in security protocols worldwide. In 1974, Turkish Airlines Flight 981A, McDonnell Douglas DC-10, met with disaster near Paris. The aircraft crashed into a forest, claiming the lives of all 346 passengers and crew. A flawed cargo door design, previously identified as problematic, resulted in explosive decompression and the subsequent loss of control. This devastating event exposed critical safety deficiencies in the DC-10 and led to crucial design modifications. A catastrophic mid-air collision occurred near Charki Dodri, India, in November 1996. A Saudi Arabian Airlines Boeing 747 and a Kazakhstan Airlines Ilyushin IL-76 collided, resulting in the deaths of 349 people. The primary cause was attributed to the Kazakh pilot descending below the assigned altitude, compounded by communication difficulties and the absence of adequate air traffic control technology at the time. This tragedy underscored the vital need for improved communication systems and advanced air traffic control infrastructure. The deadliest single aircraft accident in history unfolded with Japan Airlines Flight 123 in August 1985. A Boeing 747 suffered an explosive decompression due to a faulty repair following a prior tailstrike incident. The aircraft crashed into Mount Takamagara, tragically taking the lives of 520 of the 524 people on board. This disaster highlighted the critical importance of meticulous aircraft maintenance and rigorous repair procedures. The deadliest accident in aviation history occurred in March 1977 at Tenerife North Airport in the Canary Islands. In dense fog, two Boeing 747s KLM Flight 4805 and Pan Am Flight 1736 collided on the runway, resulting in the loss of 583 lives. A combination of factors, including poor visibility, miscommunication between the control tower and the pilots, and runway congestion, contributed to this devastating event. The Tenerife disaster led to significant changes in communication protocols and runway safety procedures, which continue to save lives today. These tragic events serve as powerful reminders of the inherent risks of air travel. However, they have also been catalysts for crucial advancements in aviation safety. Through thorough investigation and continuous improvement, the aviation industry has made air travel statistically one of the safest forms of transportation. We must never forget the lessons learned from these devastating events and remain committed to preventing such tragedies in the future.